Hello everyone, my name is Dr. Samrat Shah. I'm working as a consultant physician and medical director at Medihill Group of Hospitals. Coronavirus is a virus which has come from animals to human beings. Mainly spreads by droplets in the form of when you cough, when you sneeze. That is the point when the droplets they start spreading. And the maximum level what they can spread is around 1 meter. So I would request everyone to maintain at least a distance of 1 meter from anyone who is coughing or sneezing. Most of the times people ask us whether common cold is coronavirus. I want to assure you people that coronavirus and common cold are two different things. Common cold very commonly presents as running nose, some sore throat, body aches and weakness. Anyone who has fever, cough which is dry in nature, breathing difficulty, with the background history of contact with the person who has been exposed to corona, only then we suspect corona, otherwise there is no need to worry. For corona as such there is no treatment because it is a viral infection and it's a new strain of coronavirus, so only treatment depends for this is symptomatic. I would say if you have mild symptoms in the form of fever and dry cough, you can just stay at home, take some paracetamol tablets or some cough suppressants and isolate yourself. If you are having breathing difficulty, you need to be isolated and treated. There are medicines being tried for corona, but nothing has been yet proven to be beneficial. But as such, I want to assure you people that coronavirus is self-limiting. Within the matter of 2 to 3 weeks of your symptoms, coronavirus settles on its own. 90% of people are not going to have any complications. My advice is daily personal hygiene needs to be maintained. Not everyone needs to wear mask. It is of no use. Only those people who are having fever, cough or breathing difficulty or having sneezing or having droplet infections, only they are supposed to wear the mask. Sanitizer is required. Make sure that you sanitize your hands. If you are having any symptoms of corona, any subject, any matter you touch, you needs to be sanitized because these are droplet borne infections. They spread and they settle down on the floor, on the tables, on the mobile phones. So make sure that you sanitize your hands before touching to any of these objects.